Did you know some houseplants can do more than just look pretty? They can help you breathe easier, sleep better, and even boost your mood. Today we're counting down 10 magical indoor plants that can transform your health and your space. Each one brings unique benefits, turning your home into a haven of peace and vitality. And trust me, number 1 is a plant you've probably never thought of. Get ready to discover the hidden powers of these botanical wonders. Let's get started. First up, Aloe Vera, a succulent famous for its healing gel. Its soothing properties make it a go-to for burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Aloe Vera also purifies the air, filtering out harmful toxins. If its leaves develop brown spots, it's warning you about pollutants. Just remember, use its gel in moderation to avoid digestive discomfort. Aloe Vera is a must-have for any home. Lavender's calming aroma has been cherished for centuries. Its scent eases stress and promotes restful sleep. Just place a sprig under your pillow. Touching its blooms can melt away tension and bring peace. Lavender is a natural stress reliever, perfect for bedrooms and relaxation spaces. Invite its soothing presence into your home. The peace lily radiates tranquility and is a champion air purifier. NASA found it removes up to 60% of indoor air pollutants. It's easy to care for and signals when it needs water by drooping its leaves. Bring home a peace lily for a serene, harmonious space. The Areca palm brings tropical moisture indoors, acting as a natural humidifier. It's pet-friendly and purifies the air, making it ideal for any home. This low-maintenance plant thrives in bright, indirect light. Enjoy a touch of paradise with the Areca palm. Rosemary isn't just for cooking, it's a brain booster. Its scent improves memory and concentration, perfect for workspaces. Rosemary also has antibacterial properties, keeping your home fresh. Keep a pot nearby for a mental and aromatic lift. Jasmine's intoxicating fragrance promotes relaxation and better sleep. It's associated with love and positive energy in many cultures. Place jasmine in your bedroom to invite tranquility and romance. Give it sunlight and moist, well-drained soil for best results. Jasmine rewards you with beauty and uplifting energy. The snake plant releases oxygen at night, purifying air while you sleep. It filters out toxins like formaldehyde and is incredibly hardy. Its striking upright leaves add an exotic touch to any room. The snake plant is a resilient, low-maintenance air purifier. Orchids are more than beautiful. They inspire creativity and emotional balance. Their presence can deepen meditation and promote peace. Orchids are easy to care for. Bright, indirect light and occasional watering. Place one in your workspace or meditation corner for inspiration. Let their elegance uplift your home. The money plant is believed to attract wealth and good fortune. Its round leaves symbolize abundance and it's a powerful air purifier. Place it in the southeast corner of your home for maximum effect. Whether for luck or clean air, the money plant is a great choice. Holy basil or tulsi is revered for its purifying and protective qualities. It's an adaptogen, helping the body manage stress and boost immunity. Place it near your doorway or meditation space for peace and positive energy. Inhale its calming aroma for a spiritual lift. There you have it, 10 indoor plants that can transform your home and health. From aloe vera's soothing touch to holy basil's sacred energy, these plants bring nature's healing indoors. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.